In class 11, we are on the chapter number 6, that is trial balance. And in the trial balance, we already discussed the theory part, methods of making trial balance, need of trial balance, meaning of trial balance. Savana, am I audible? Yes. So now today, yesterday also we have done one numerical of trial balance, and Noel Joan, I told you to get the total, and Tanishq Malik to also to get the total. I am sure you must have done. The total is 430200. Check it. Now today's topic, again we will do one numerical of trial balance, but before that I want to tell you how to make the trial balance. Then we will do it again. So yesterday also I gave you very easy way, easy trick to make the trial balance, and that was all assets, expenditures, purchase, sales return, and drawings that must be debited. All assets, expenditures and losses, purchase, sales return, and drawings must be debited. All expenses and losses. Now with reverse it. What is the opposite of asset? It is easiest way to learn. Assets opposite is liabilities. What is the opposite of expenditure and losses? Income and gain. What is the opposite of purchase? That is sales. What is the opposite of sales return? Purchase return. What is the opposite of drawings? Capital. All must be credited. So now it becomes easy for you to learn to make the trial balance. See, without the help of trial balance, we cannot make the financial statement or final account. That's why trial balance is the link in between initial stage and final stage, conclusion stage. So trial balance making is very important for us, how to make. So learn these tricks. Asset, expenditure and losses, purchase, sales return, drawings. All these should be debit side. Now opposite of it. Opposite of asset is liability. Opposite of expenditure and losses is income and gain. Opposite of purchase is sales. Opposite of sales return is purchase return. Opposite of drawings is capital. And opposite of debit is credit. Now it becomes easy for you. Okay? So learn these tricks. Only 2 lines are required to learn the trial balance. Now I am going to show you one numerical so that it will be easy for you how to make. Yesterday, yes, you can see the slide. You can see the question on the screen. Then how to make it? Kanak Agrawal, please note down. Then it will be easy for you to do it. See how to make the trial balance. Class 11, trial balance, as on or as at. capital. Now capital will be in credit side, 2,50,000. Then second, drawings. Drawings will be in debit. Then next, debtors. Name itself, debtors means debit. Then next, creditors. Creditors means liabilities, it should be in credit. Then land and building, plant, stock, all are asset. That's why debit. Land and building, plant, opening stock. Land and building, plant, opening stock, all will be in debit. $22,800. Now factory expenses, office expenses, all expenses will be in debit. 16,600. 7,700. Purchase return will be in credit. Stationery, freight, expenditure that must be in debit. I'm sure you all will be able to do it. Now purchase will be in debit, sales will be in credit, miscellaneous expenses in debit. Now miscellaneous receipt. Yes, Krish Gupta, where to write it? Krish Gupta, where to write it?
Credit.
Miscellaneous receipt also in debit? Very bad.
No, credit.
Miscellaneous expenses in debit and miscellaneous receipt is income. That's why in credit. Now Tanish, where to write bad debts?
In debit side.
Debit side. Why? Why?
It is our assets. It's our assets.
Bad debts is your asset. Bad debts is
If it recovers.
bad debts. See the name. Bad debts.
It's our expense. It's our expense as we will not receive the given amount.
Those debtors who are unable to pay us the amount that will be the loss of the business. Debtors who proved bad means the amount irrecoverable. The amount which is not covered or which will not receive from the debtors. That is the loss of the business. That's why bad debts will be debited. Now bills receivable. Yes, Vanisha, what to do it? Bills receivable. Debit or credit? Vanisha Mittal. Bills receivable will be in debit or in credit?
Credit.
Bills receivable will be in debit, debit D-E-B-I-T, because bills receivable is the asset of the business. The amount which is receivable from the debtors. Trade receivable is also the term for that. Now loan from X, Kritika. That will be debit or credit. Loan from X. Loan from X. Kritika Vijay. It is debit or credit? We are unable to hear your voice. Mac Bajaj, loan from X. Kritika, continue, give your answer. Loan from X will be in debit or in credit side of trial balance. Yes, Kritika, we are unable to hear your voice. Mac Bajaj,
Ma'am, debit side.
debit side. Loan from X, you have taken loan from someone,
Credit side.
is your liability. Loan from X is the liability, and liability must be credit side. Liability in credit side. Now, 7. Interest on X loan. That will be debit or credit? Interest X,
क्लास चल रही है बेटा.
interest on X loan.
Credit.
You have taken loan from X. Tell your parents not to disturb you. See, I think you all are unable to identify the asset and liabilities, income and expenditure. See, loan from X. Businessman has taken loan from X. It is the liability. Now, interest on X loan means you have to pay interest on that liability. So interest on X loan is the expense of business that will be in debit. Now next, cash in hand, Noel June, debit or credit? Noel June,
Credit.
see cash in hand,
It's
your asset and all asset, you have cash
debit.
that will be your asset. So that asset will be a debit. Now,
Debit.
Anisha, goodwill.
Debit.
Goodwill is the asset of the business. That's why it is debit. So goodwill will be in debit column. Kritika, if you are unable to understand, then learn these two lines. You have not given me the answer. Learn these two lines. All asset, expenses, purchase, sales return, joins. These 5 things will be in debit. Now reverse it. Liabilities, income, sales, purchase return or capital, all will be in credit side. So again I am telling you how to do it. Look at the screen. Capital, credit. If you want to note down, you can. Drawings will be debit, debtors debit, creditors credit, land and building debit, plant and machinery debit, opening stock debit, factory expenses debit, office expenses debit, purchase return credit, stationery debit, freight debit, purchase debit, sales credit, miscellaneous expenses debit, miscellaneous receipt income will be credit, bad debts loss for the business debit, bills receivable asset for the business debit, Loan from X, liability, that should be credit. Interest on X loan, that is the expense of the business, that should be debit. Cash in hand, asset, debit. See, you have cash balance in your pocket, that is your asset or liability, Noel John? You have cash balance in your pocket, that will be your Noel John, that will be your, if you have cash balance in your pocket, that will be your asset or liability, my dear. Give me the answer. I am asking you. Noel, are you unable to hear? Noel John?
I'm debit.
Why debit, my dear? My question is this. Why cash in hand will be debited? What is the reason?
It is an expense.
Cash is your expense. 5 times, just now 5 times I told you, my dear, you have cash in your pocket, that is your asset. That's why it is debit. Cash in hand is your asset. Cash balance is asset. That's why debit. Now the next question from Kritika. Goodwill is your asset or your liability? Goodwill is your asset or your liability?
Ma'am, assets.
Asset. It will be debited or credited?
Ma'am, debited.
Debited. Very good answer. So today I am going to give you very easy way to learn. See my finger. Asset, expenses and losses, purchase, sales return and drawings will be debited always. Now reverse it. Liabilities, income, sales, purchase return and capital will be credit. So by this way you can learn these 5 things will be in debit, these 5 things will be in credit. So trial balance is based on these 2 lines only. 5 things in debit, 5 in credit, and at the end you will match the total of both the sides. If the total match, this is the assurance of mathematical accuracy of your accounts. So now put that all the transactions in the trial balance and do the total. Yes, Tanish Malik, do the total. I have shown everything on the screen, on the board. Now you will make it. You will make a trial balance and do the total. Yes, Kanak Agrawal will tell us the total of debit side today. Anand Singhvi will give us the total of credit side. So Kanak Agrawal, do the total of debit side, and Anand Singhvi, please make the total of credit side. If the total of debit and credit match, it shows that your accounts are complete, accurate mathematically. If the total not match, then put the difference in suspense account. Open the suspense account. And in the suspense account, we can put the difference. If you have any doubt in any transaction, you can ask. Now I am asking to Akshi. Akshi, loan from X is your liability or your asset?
And liability.
Where to show the liability, my dear?
Credit side.
Answer. Good answer. Anand Singhvi. Interest on X loan will be our expenses or income? 3,000 rupees interest on
Ma'am.
this loan.
Ma'am, income.
Income. Then my dear Anand, 5-6 times I explained you have taken loan from X, now you have to pay interest on it. If we are paying interest on it, that is expense for us, that will be there on debit side. Vanisha, have you done the total of debit side, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me the answer, please.
688,100.
688
100.
100. Correct answer. 688 100. This is the total of debit side. Exact answer, Vanisha. Very good. Now the total of credit side also to be done by the other children. Then we will. Noel John, show me a copy, my dear. Noel John, show me a copy. So Rishiraj, you got the answer, I'm sure. Yes, Noel, very good. Do the total, my dear. Tanishq Malik, please switch your video on, my dear. Don't switch it off. So the total of debit side is 688,100, and you will do the total of credit side. If there is any difference, put it in the suspense account. Okay?